Hey y'all, today we have FAB FIT FUN. This is the summer box. I am super late to doing this. Mine gets in really late. I get charged later, I get mine shipped later, delivered later. I don't know what it is. Here we are, July, and I got my summer box. This box is definitely like noticeably smaller than other boxes, or maybe it's like taller and shorter. No, wait, that's not right. Taller and narrower, I guess. Most of the time they're a little bit longer, so. I have peeked in this box because I used something out of it already. If you don't know about FAB FIT FUN or you're interested in it, it is a quarterly beauty, lifestyle, bunch of different stuff, subscription box, and it is $50 every quarter. You get a winter, a summer, winter, spring, summer, fall box, and I really enjoy it. Typically you're going to get over $250 worth of products in here. Just like with my BoxyCharm subscription service, it keeps me from going out and buying things I probably don't need, or it gives me things that I may not have gone out and picked out for myself. So if there's anything you don't like, they're always a great idea to regift them or to see if a friend wants them, something like that. I've definitely given away a few things from my FAB FIT FUN that I just know I won't use, or it's just going to create clutter that somebody else might actually take advantage of and use. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this box. Before we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. Sorry if my hair looks atrocious. I'm about to go to the pool, so I let it air dry. All right, so we have, this is nice. So if you love your FAB FIT FUN and your friends or your family are interested, you get a $15 off your first FAB FIT FUN box. And there's a little code down here. So I might pass that along to someone. You get $15 off your first box. Valid for new customers only. Cool. Always HelloFresh. 14 meals for free using this code. Bright Sellers, $45 credit for wine delivery, which who doesn't love that? My mom gets a wine delivery, and my brother and I definitely take advantage of that because she's the only one that drinks at her house, so she definitely needs help, right? And then of course the FAB FIT FUN catalog, which will tell you all about the stuff that you get in the box and prices and all that fun stuff. So and it just have cute little articles in here, which are nice. And oh, there's some recipes in here as well. So awesome, awesome, awesome. So the first thing that I immediately was like, yes, thank you. My niece even goes, I opened it up when we were with everyone for Father's Day, and my niece was like, that's a great product. And like, you got that in your box? And I was like, yeah, I got that in my box. Because sometimes, like, if I don't like something, I'll give it to them or whatever. And I was like, you know. So it's a living proof dry shampoo, perfect hair day dry shampoo. I have already been using this. It does leave a white cast, but it goes away. Like it completely like disintegrates in your hair, or disintegrate sounds like a really harsh word, but the white cast doesn't hang around and stay. Kind of like my IGK charcoal dry shampoo, it tends to linger, but this one, even though it leaves a little bit of a white cast when you first spray it, you fluff it out and it goes away. So I've really been enjoying it. This is a really nice, decent product to get in our box. This is the Blush pineapple shaped ice molds. So it's a little ice cube tray that's shaped like pineapples. Pretty cute. You probably need a lot. This is probably for like, you know, 2 beverages. They don't tell you how much things are in the catalog anymore, so that's kind of frustrating, but cute. So you can like pop them out too, which is like, sometimes the silicone trays are kind of hard, so you have to like break them apart to open them up, but these are like really soft on the back, so you could probably just pop it out. Cute, cute, cute. We have the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, Brighten and Illuminate, AM PM. Add this brightening serum to your morning routine for a glowing Copy Me complexion. Copy Me complexion. Featuring 2 forms of vitamin C, soothing squalene. This multitasking serum can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation while evening skin tone. Glass bottle, okay. We saw this and we were like, awesome. I mean, something you typically like maybe wouldn't pick up for yourself, which is this Barefoot Scientist Smooth Things Over Pedicure File. So pedicure file, make sure your feet are nice and smooth in the summertime. laying out at the pool, you don't want to have crusty feet. Got the flight mode skincare high altitude hydration mask. I actually have one of these that I think I got in a BoxyCharm. I really enjoy it. I put it on typically after I wash my face at night. It's just super hydrating, and the little bottle has lasted me a while. So it's definitely, it's 1.69 ounces, but the little bottle's lasted me a decent amount of time, and I love the way my skin feels in the morning. Feels super hydrated and moisturized, so I'll definitely keep this as a backup. The Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So this is a setting mist. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see what that mist is like. It smells good. Smells like watermelon. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. An overnight lip mask that envelops the lips. Envelopes with shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity. While you sleep, the formula gently melts into skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines, imparting a rich, dewy finish, vegan and blended with direct derivatives of olive oil in order to help further nourish and help improve the health and texture of your lips. Can also be used during the day as a powerful reparative lip balm. Okay, it's a great thing to throw in a purse. All right, last thing in the box. This has been an easy video here. So Rae Dunn, I typically see that at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or something like that. The Rae Dunn guac and salsa bowl set. I think I picked this out, so I think I customized this one because I thought it was super cute, be fun for summer, and everybody always gets, you know, it's the season of getting together finally. Oh, we've got two cute little spoons here, one for each, I'm guessing. Oh, so cute. Salsa, guac. That's super cute. There you go. I need some chips. I'm more of a guac person myself, so this should say guac and this should say salsa. All right, guys, that is everything for my Fab Fit Fun. I literally filmed this in 15 minutes. That's really surprising for me. Usually my videos are like 20 minutes long. I'll list everything below. If you have questions about Fab Fit Fun, please feel free to reach out. My hair's mad. If you have questions about Fab Fit Fun, please feel free to reach out because I really enjoy getting it. It's really a treat, and you know, I think all this is very much worth the $50 that I paid for it. And you know, if there's anything I won't use, definitely just pass along. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.